Good morning, Joel. Good morning, Raven.
Morning.
Good morning, Elias. Weekend. What did I do this weekend? I was relatively busy-ish. Friday. I don't think I did much. Saturday, my girl had a cornhole, or family thing has a cornhole event every year, or a cornhole tournament. So I was basically there all day. And then yesterday I just watched football. I broke even on my bets, Raven. How did you do? And then fantasy, I have a chance for highest score of the week again. I'm definitely gonna win though. So good. Oh, did Aaron Jones get hurt?
Did he?
Yeah, he got injured in the fourth, but he wasn't doing anything before that, anyways. God, they mixing a comeback, or I gotta start playing Pittman or something. He's just not getting the workload.
I
And the
mean, it
market
didn't seem
is
like the
open.
Vikings had anything because even Jordan Mason got 3.8 points.
Well, yeah, I don't even know if they scored a touchdown. Honestly, I have no idea how the game went.
No, they kicked 2 field goals.
Good morning, Priv. Good morning, Flag Poppy. How are you doing? I know, bet I was sick. I bet on the Eagles game. I mean, not the Eagles. The Cowboys game
That game
against
was
the
crazy.
Giants. I had like my survivor pool, so and I had like $1,000 on the game, but I needed like -4.5, so I lost that. But I won my Rams one, so I basically broke even. I lost like $75. But oh my god, I was sweating that game for so long. I saw some stat. It was like it was the most. It was like tied for most lead changes in the fourth quarter ever. It had like six fourth quarter lead changes or something like that. I wanted to fucking take years off my life. Shitty open. I hate all time highs.
Dude, it just started. The
Uh,
market just opened.
Ilya said he normally trades within the first 5 minutes and then he's done. So
What was wrong with that open? I would have guessed long.
yeah, I mean, yeah, it looked like we were both flagging there.
Is it only shitty because you lost?
You probably didn't get in. Yeah. All time high just spam long. It's funny. I feel like last time we were at all time highs, I felt like I was making most of my money on shorts. But I felt like we were going down in the morning and then we'd recover and then pump up higher in like the afternoon. Do we have news? It's FOMC this week, right? I believe. We had Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30. Did do anything?
December. So
Like in the stream early because there's a 90% chance I don't get a trade today. Why? You just don't trade all time highs. Good morning, Interbank. Y'all on December contract or September? I'm on September still.
you didn't switch it over?
No, I don't switch it over until TradingView tells me to, because like they like
Uh,
just naturally have the highest volume.
I switched it over just because my vendor futures messaged and said change it.
Uh, Let me double check, but I'm pretty sure.
In their Discord, they sent it.
Because right now my TradingView is the same price as um, the one on my Ninja Trader, and that's September. Let me go to volume if I can.
Yeah, because our prices are different, but it's moving the exact same, but prices are different.
Uh, yeah, it's still a little bit higher. It's volume's like 4K higher, and open interest is like, I don't know what open interest means, but it's like 5 times, 6 times, like 7 times higher. So I'm just gonna stay with September.
That 50%, if you did it first thing in the morning, I put it up and it would have worked out pretty well.
Oh, just from like the
Like just like that
that,
opening.
yeah.
We would have
But
just tapped off of it.
but then the leg is only like, I mean that one would be, you would have got like 8 points on.
Oh yeah, you don't hold up to the high.
Yeah,
You might have
that's the
got-
thing.
I was gonna say if you hold up to the high, that's 20 points, but
Yeah, it'd only be like 8. I don't really know what I want to see. I mean, I just want to see a big reverse, but I don't know.
ooh. Freaking freezing.
We got softball tonight. Oh God, how many do we
Yeah,
have?
we have 15, I think. I looked at it and I forgot to like it, but it's us.
Yeah, great. Mm-mm. Yeah, it's kind of beat. I don't know what we do here. Hello, AJ. How we doing? How has been growing your Top Step account's been going? God, I back tested a little bit on Friday. Man, that price action was so good in 2024. I swear, I was like, wow. Can we just go back to that?
Would be cool.
But I just gotta keep doing what I did to get me big payout, and eventually the market will come back to me. That's it. I must know how to trade a little bit, even though it doesn't feel like it because I don't know how to win trades anymore, but I must know. Whenever I get bad, like start doing bad at trading, I just forget to fucking do everything. Like I just like don't care. Like when I'm winning, I feel like I care so much. Then when I'm losing, I'm just like I don't give a shit. I don't fucking track my trades. I always forget. It's just a disaster. We didn't take any trades Friday, right?
We broke even, I think.
I don't think we took a trade. Actually, I think you lost. I think I didn't take one.
Oh yeah, I lost like 10 points, I think.
Yeah, you tried to get short here.
Yeah.
I was making. I couldn't tell which way we were gonna go, and then yeah, we ripped up, and I didn't get in on that. Yeah.
This could be a good long year here.
I'm gonna do what I was doing before and wait for my push up and then wait. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Had one winning trade last week. Tried to chase $200, and next thing you know, I'm down 600 on that day.
It's a perfect
Like
50% and the EMA.
what from the whole thing?
Yeah. It's looking at. I
I
took
mean,
that
that's
in
the
my
thing.
4 evals.
Why did you fucking bottom take it? So I've been telling you that for the last week. What have you been telling me, Priv? Wait, I had one winning trade last week. Trade. AJ, so you had one winning trade and you were still $200, still trying to chase $200, and then you blew that winning trade, or like that was on a separate day. Wait for your normal push. I
I mean,
don't
that
know if
was
I
a.
was or not, Priv. Well, the problem is that like before I wasn't only waiting for my normal push. I was getting in like preemptively on stuff too. It's just working as well. But I gotta get my confidence back here. So now if we have like a push down and then a push back up, I'll get in. Probably. Like if we round
Your
out at
strat
this
worked
level
out
here.
perfect, Mike.
Oh yeah?
Quick little scalp for $600 on my 4 evals.
I mean, time is fractal, so it's whatever range you want it to be, right? That's what all the cool kids say.
Well, isn't that what? Yeah, buy at the 50% and then you.
Yeah, with some confluence, but I mean, you had the
I
EMA
calculate
there,
just
I
the
guess.
EMA.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I guess. And we're in all-time highs and trending higher, so not the craziest thing.
Something popped up though when I cause I went to just close it manually. It didn't hit my take profit, but then it didn't close on my accounts. Then I had to go in and close them.
That's weird.
I didn't read the thing. Something like popped up, but obviously I'm like, I gotta get out so you don't read it.
Trying to find the video with the show. I think I liked it.
It just lost the shortstop spot just like that. It's tough.
Oh yeah.
It's probably gonna be me and Tommy swapping. You and Austin swapping. Danny's probably just gonna pitch. Nick will play first.
I don't fucking know. It's gonna be gay.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to go fucking yard. Ugh. Okay. Oh, I found it. What do you guys think about this video? Is this a short or a video? I feel
You
like
talk
it could
about
be
that
like an
strategy.
easy. Yeah. I feel like it could be like an easy swing trade from the dude who's good at trading. This is just what he says. I feel like it's pretty simple.
All I need to do is wait for price to trade into, we'll draw it out, right? Price is tumbling, yeah? All I want to see is price trade into 50% of the range here, and then 50% of this range.
Yeah.
And all I want is this move right here. Because at that point, even though this is the trend, if this is going to continue to here, great. If it's not, it's most likely going to reverse from here.
That's it. I feel like it's relatively simple. I feel like it's just easy for like swing trading.
Oh, he's already prepping for steak.
Yeah. Here's a better idea. Use what works for you. I mean, I will on my regular trades. But I'm just talking for like swing trading, maybe. You could take from bottom to the top of this range, wait for that, and then see if it starts to reverse, depending on confluences and shit, and then ride it back up from, say it did pull back from here.
Here's a better idea. Continue sleeping if we're at all-time highs. What else are you looking at besides longs right here?
There's some bullshit, I swear to God. Do you
We haven't
backtest?
broke.
I
haven't broke
backtested a
the
little
EMA.
bit. I backtested on Friday.
We're going straight up. Like, why are we trying to short the top? We haven't seen a pullback.
Who's short?
That's freaking. Well, obviously, if you're not liking longs right now, you're trying to get short.
Who said they're not liking longs?
I mean, if you're saying the price action is BS and that you hate the open, I'm assuming you're trying to go short.
Maybe.
I don't know. We just haven't even seen like a pullback.
As I said, just spam long. Yep. This seems to be the case, Joel. I don't think backtesting is that helpful, Priv, to be fair, honestly. I don't think it does much. I only take trades at the start of a trend, not the middle of it. I mean, it looked like we were already trending up.
Yeah.
All from like 5 a.m. all the way up. To get a general idea. Yeah, but I guess you got a
Like
point. Yeah.
like you backtest and I was like watching, but that's just because you were like trying a new idea.
Yeah.
That's the only time I think backtesting's worth it. But there's no point in backtesting your strategy that you've already been trading for so long. Like
That's the thing. Like I did like a month of it, and I was up like $3,000 or like $3,500, and I was just trading like one contract on a 50K account or whatever, and like 1 month I did good. I mean, I know it's only 1 month of data, but that's that. I was just like doing it. And I was like, okay, and then.
I literally bottom ticked that range.
Uh,
And I got over freaking 15 points, and I should be up 60. Or I could have been up 60. I didn't even look for a target.
There is none. I mean, the pivot point.
Oh yeah, we're at
510.
yeah. Your price is all different than mine because I'm on the December contract.
Ugh.
And we have a bunch of games for softball on Tuesdays, which kind of sucks.
Yeah, but at least they're the earlier ones still.
I know, but it's like we just have to like I think we're gonna have to go to Berlin. Actually, we only have 2 games.
I mean,
Tuesday.
the season. I mean, it's only like fucking a couple
8
weeks.
games. 4 weeks. That's it.
Yeah.
It's literally only 8 games.
Yeah. Where's Raven? She's here. Or she said hi.
She's sick.
She's got the suds. Ugh.
This is the thing I don't know about, like that guy who like did the 50% thing. Like, would you go off the 50% from when it just retapped off the EMA, or would you go 50% off that like range from open?
I think it's like the true rate. Like I think realistically, it's like, or I don't know. Like you could go off the range from 4 o'clock in the morning, like that bottom wick, if you wanted to do more of a swing trade. You know what I mean?
Well, that's like full swing. Like I'm not fucking.
I don't know. It's whatever.
Let's try.
I mean, just the lower you have it, the safer it is, right? Because it has to pull back more.
I guess. I'm just not waiting for a 100-point drop to fucking get in long.
I mean, to be right at
Like,
VWAP.
like I,
It's just like you can catch later moves. Because say you
God.
did, bless you. Say you did, and then you go top and you pull all the way back.
I guess. Ugh.
If you were to long, you could catch, what is it? I mean, that's 43 points for half a leg up.
So just gonna double top, go right back down to the EMA. That's my guess.
Let's see. You're thirsty. Sounds like there's something you could do about that.
You know, you could just go get water.
Oh. Funded to a milli? How's that working out for you? Are you almost there? Drink some water then? Yeah, let's see. I think.
Hershey bar.
Are there any Life in the Future deals going on right now?
25. Or at least
No,
it
I think
ended,
it
yeah.
just ended. I think resets just ended. I don't think there's anything crazy going on right now.
There's you can reset a FunJet account for $200 instead of $450.
Really? It's not terrible. I mean, any size? Or is that 50Ks?
I'm not sure. I just know they extended that one an extra 3 days, so it's like to the 17th, I think. If you guys bought it last night, it was 25% off.
What is your discount percentage again, Mike? It depends on my fund and futures or on Apex. I think is it 15% on Apex? I mean, I think it's 15% on both. I think it's
No, it's pretty good actually.
like 10 or 15%.
Cause I bought what 4 MyFunded futures yesterday, and how much did you get?
$7 or like $6.80 something cents.
Per one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I bought them for like $55, so that's like 15%, right?
Yeah, so I think my Infinite Futures is 15%. How much is an Apex account on like 80% off? I think I would get like 583 or something, and it was like $34, right? Is that also 15%? Yeah, it is. So I think they're both 15%. I actually got my first payout on Apex like the beginning of this month, I think, or I don't know exactly when they. I think they pay you out at the beginning or something like that. MMF still worth because no activation compared to Apex. I literally only get Apex if if you're a new trader and you're only gonna trade the eval because the eval and you have no intention of fucking passing it, like, cause like, the activation fee is more expensive than most accounts are in general. But if you're not confident, you might as well use the eval because it's the cheapest eval. But if you're like, and then I recommend if you're like new-ish but don't have like, or like I think you if you have a strategy down that you think you can get a payout from, then you go to My Funded Future because it's cheap and easy to get a payout. And then if you really want to start scaling, then you go back to Apex and try to get like 20 accounts with them. But I would wait regardless for like $85 activations. The 80% or 90% is fucking like doesn't matter that much. that when the activations are $140 or $85 compared to 140, it's like you're saving yourself $65 per account that you activate. It's like, what is that? That's $1,300 if you were to do 20 accounts. You save yourself
I don't think,
$1,300.
isn't Top Step accounts like freaking $200 and something dollars?
Top Step's goaded for eval farming as well, right? I think Top Step's $50 eval, so Apex would still be worth it. And then Top Step's like $150 activation, I believe. I don't know. I've never used Top Step, but I
Just seem
believe
safe.
that's the case. But yeah, I would recommend Apex if you're really new and just do the eval, and it's the cheapest one, and you can just kind of like learn, but also have some skin in the game, maybe a little bit of. And then if you pass it, activate it, and then if you blow it, but you feel more confident, maybe switch to a My Fun and Futures eval, try to pass that, and then get a payout with My Fun and Futures, and then you can roll your profits of My Fun and Futures into Apex. I think it's like $34.
No, it's like I think it's 37. Whatever it
34.
is.
I think it's like
It doesn't-
$34.80 or something.
It doesn't really I don't know. The evals don't really matter. It's the activation.
Yeah. Yeah, I honestly wouldn't recommend Apex right now if you're actually trying to get a payout and not just learning. I would. My Fun Future is always the easiest to get a payout in. Do you have any or no? Funded to $1 million. Does that mean you're trying to get $1 million in funded, or are you trying to get $1 million?
Million in funded doesn't mean shit. You can have $1 million to fund and make fucking no money.
Yeah, don't I know it?
I mean, you made money. I did it and fucking.
Yeah, but
Boom, all
I
made no
didn't
money.
for a long time. Both. Yeah, I have 3 PAs. Okay, yeah, I got you. That's like I was trying to get 20 accounts when like the 90% off went off because it was like $85 activation and I just blown my accounts, and then I fucking blew a bunch of evals and that shit. Got 26 points right there. Did you take that flag, Poppy? I just want a bigger pullback. Oh, you took this flag. Yeah, you must have took this flag then, right? Maybe here on this pump.
I feel like the past 2 weeks have been shit. The
I
market.
just blew a PA last week. Was a tough week for me. Yeah, don't worry, I blew fucking 50 accounts. Or I blew like my fucking 26 accounts that I had, and then a bunch of fucking evals trying to get it back.
I feel like we need to pull back.
Grinding on my Fun and Future account right now. I'm probably gonna try getting a payout first with them before scaling. Yeah, that's a good play. Only scale with money you've gotten payouts in. Yeah, 24-4, 7-3. Wait, 24. Oh, I think we're on different contracts. You must be on December. Have you gotten any payouts yet? Or no? I like to sleep. I still have my charts up. For some reason, we decided to stop grinding higher. Alright. Good night.
I
Short
think
from
this is gonna be the-
255. Oh shit. He's calling the top.
push back down to like.
I mean, ES is more pulling back, and Nvidia is
80?
really pulling back as well. If we could get through this VWAP and this pivot point, that'd be good.
At least push down to the like 80s again.
Yeah, $500 from Top Step, then blew it. All right, so you've seen it's possible though. If you can get one, you can get more. That's what I'm trying to tell myself. Like, all right, you had a big month, you can have more big months. Used a tick chart today. Was watching some videos on it over the weekend. Seems nice. Is that like what you can set it to a certain amount of ticks, and then the candle forms regardless, so every candle's like the same. Yeah, like size, I guess you would say. I don't know how that helps. Like, what does that help with? I mean, it helps you with volume, right? Probably because you can like notice how quickly the candles are going by. or how slowly. It's the number of transactions. I think it just looks smoother. I don't know. You can do it on NinjaTrader. What do I go to? It's like an indicator. Oh yeah, like here. What was I on? Minute? Alright, tick.
Buddy.
Oh, it looks a lot different. Is that right?
What did you do?
I changed the chart to like a tick chart. I wanted to see.
Why?
I don't know.
Now you're like below the EMA, even though you're not supposed. Like,
I was just looking. Got mine at 3,000 for higher time frame and 1,000 low time frame. 1,000 ticks. God, I feel like it must take a while to form one candle. Thank you, hitting big 4-hour resistance. Resistance? Bitch, what resistance? We've never been this high ever. In the short right now, where you chose time frame, I'm at BE aiming for 24237. Well, looks like you got break even. What's the even, like how the candles close? Yeah, I don't, it just like shows you, or I don't know, I saw like trades by Matt uses like the 22 tick chart or something like that. I don't know, it's just like forms candles differently. It's kind of goofy. I'm sure it has a purpose, as everything does. Hit me out. It's interesting, they move really slow, but when the volume comes in, they print fast, yeah. Measured move. Hello, brother. What's going on, I want to say Abshay every time. Abhay. You gotta be insider info from the Jews, trust them. Yeah, not time basis, so when 1,000 transactions have been made, you get a new bar, yeah. God, they flip over to Pat's stream, he's just short 42 contracts right now. Yeah, he's just trying to short the market. He'll make money somehow. It'll rip up another 100 points of butt be in for fucking 100 contracts. Popped off as soon as I saw the 10 o'clock candle.
I mean, he literally shorted the He must have shorted the very fucking top because he's up.
No, he just fucking adds it. What's wrong with the 10 o'clock candle? Just a fucking red candle. We'll be in a 50-point drawdown, then wait an hour. Yeah, he just has so much money, it doesn't even fucking matter. Like, you can just sit and draw down, and then it pops up fucking 2 points, and then he makes fucking $10,000.
Did you see he posted that he made like 2 million or so? I screenshotted it.
For what?
Income received so far in September totaled $2,842,756.02.
So he made $3 million this month,
Almost, yeah.
and we're 15 days in.
Yep.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking poor, dude. It sucks. Like
Posted
that's
on his
crazy. You
Instagram
just make
story.
more than most people will make in their entire life in 15 days. That's crazy.
Yep.
I know you're gonna make fun of me for whatever I say, so I'll just watch the stream. Oh boy. When 10 a.m. opens and wicks the top like that, it just chops or dumps down. Discretion, rare discretion. We'll see.
You're right at the EMA.
On the 1 minute. Nvidia's like down at the fucking low of day right now. I don't know. I don't think we're very bullish here, even though we are fucking all-time highs. But ES has pulled back way more, and Nvidia's dumping to low of day right now. That's you. Is your short work?
Yes, doesn't look as.
Excuse me. Still in the short. It's not looking terrible. I don't know. Everything looks badish except for NQ. Maybe if we do something like this, like come down and then make a little flag like this, and then we can dump down to like here, this 5 minute, wherever this ends up. Maybe that could be my target. It might be what I go for. I'm moving my stops to break even.
Alright. Are you Ed?
Me?
Yeah.
No, that's what Joel said.
I took that short just because some fucking eval trading, so I'm just trying to flip shit.
Yeah.
But hey, good start for my I got in at I can tell you the exact price. Hold on.
Bro, I'm telling you, you had the Jew Insider, the resistance work. No, that wasn't him. That was Trading 101. Trading 101 was the one who said.
I got in at
NQ hitting big
97.
resistance.
Just like literally on that push down. I just got in. Well, your prices are all different than mine.
Yeah.
So, but
Did the market? Did the market go
hey,
up
I'll
again because I'm back? What do you mean go up again? We're just finally starting to go lower.
brand new evals up $1,200 on them. I'll take it.
Nice.
I'll be back. I gotta go take a shit and play Clash Royale on my phone.
All right, have fun with that. Wait, did you blow the accounts already, or you still have embarrassing? uh, I blew a bunch of eval. No, I blew all of my funded accounts from like when I was on my good streak of like when I took out fucking 60K. Like all those accounts are gone. Then I had to get all new evals, and I blew most of those. I have like 13 funded accounts on Apex. And that's what I'm rocking with right now. I tried to get more Take Profit Trader accounts. I tried to get more Alpha Future accounts. I tried to get more My Funded Future accounts. Blew them all. So I'm just working with what I got for now, and I'm just going to try to get a fucking max payout, which would be like 26K. And then I'll try to scale up some more again. There's only so many evals, because I bought like fucking, well, it was like 90% off Apex, so it was good. I wish I just traded them all at once, literally. Because the first trade I took on my Apex evals, I made money, but I only traded 10 of them, I think. And then I probably bought another 30 and only passed fucking 3 of them. It was absolutely brutal. Alright, so if we get, hopefully we don't just push down, right? Hopefully we do like one more, like this push down, we like stop around here, and then we push back up, and then we push back down through. No, we're just gonna fucking flush through, and I'm gonna be sad. Any ROI is insane, so it's fine. Yeah. Oh my god, I knew I hated the PA. I was in the 1 minute chart all this time. And then he's instantly in a short. Yeah. What are you at in payouts for the year, AJ? I really wanted to hit 200K this year. 55K still. I mean, that's really good still. 56K. That's what. That's. Just think about it this way, AJ. If you were working hourly, 8 hours a day for 50 weeks a year, 5 days a week, that would be $28 an hour. And you're working from home for 2 hours a day, if that. See, I want to get short here. My discretion tells me to get short here, but how I've been getting walloped lately, I need to wait a little bit longer. What's going on, Federico? Yeah, not bad at all. Like, that's what I have to think of, too. Because, like, my goal was so high, and I made a good amount of money when I was, I made good money when I was working, so, like, everything feels like a downgrade. Because I'm like, oh, I'm still not even making as much as I did when I was working electrical. But if I've made 80K this year, like I know I have expenses and shit, but just call it 80 just for shits and giggles. It's like that's $40 an hour for working 8 hours a day, 50 hours a week, or 50 weeks a year. Like, it's not terrible. And I mean, it's only September. Like, I have time. Like, I still want to hit 200. I just don't know how feasible it is. Man, come on. Can we go up? Ugh, we're gonna fucking dump. Ugh. I'm... That sucks. All I want to do is hit 100K yearly. Not even a milli. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to hit 200. That was my original goal. But, I mean, 100 will still be really nice. So, what is that? I need to hit like $21,000. Or basically $20,000. $20,105 will get me. If I can't make another 20K by the end of the year, I'll be fucking pretty butthurt. Yeah, 100 to 200 is the sweetest spot. If you can get from like 200, I genuinely don't think you need more. You need to make like 30K a year, right? Basically living free. Yeah, like I think 30K a year or like 100K a year is really good because you're living like, or you say living free, but you're not living free. You're just like you can live and it's trading. Like to be able to make 100K a year doing this is nice, but for like trade, like as if you're working a regular job, you'd be happy with 100K a year. Like, but for like the trading where you see everybody's fucking rich and stuff, it's like I want to make like 30K a month at some point. If you can make like 30K a month or average or like 300K a year, I want to make like 300K a year, which are like 360K a year. Like that'd be so nice. I lived off 70K my whole uni years. Yeah, were you paying rent that during that time though, or no? We're just gonna keep dropping and making me sad. Sold one con, holding one last. Nice job, Joel. Yeah, of course I was paying rent, $750 a month.
Ugh.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like I don't want to live at some place for $750. Like if you make like 300K a year, like 30K a month. I guess 300K a year is probably only like 27K or something like that. 28K, 27.5. If you make 30K a month, you can basically have anything you want. You have like the freedom, obviously. You can, whenever you go travel, you can like do the nicest shit. You can get like a nice watch. You can get a nice car. Like anything after that is just like luxury. I don't think my TP will hit, to be honest. We'll see. It's a dorm room.
And that's especially like.
I thought today was going to be a free win, longing, but nope. Limit got edged and TP got edged, and now we're reversing.
Like, if you made 300K, 400K a year, and we live in such an expensive part of the world too, it's like we could still go out and have like luxury stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
If you made that anywhere else, you're probably fucking balling.
Yeah, that's true. But like, what is there to even ball on? Because like, consumer products is all the same price regardless. It's just like balling. Like you can go out to eat whenever. Like that's realistically all you want to be able to do is do what the fuck you want. Like be your own boss or whatever, pretty much. Be able to fucking go out to eat and not really care. And that's about it. And like fucking.
Food and cars, yeah.
Yeah, have a nice food and exactly. It's like be able to go out to eat every night and not fucking care or like feel bad that you're going out to eat, and then like it doesn't even have to be cars. Like you don't have to be fucking Andrew Tate and have fucking 80 supercars. But it's like if you have one, then yeah, you have like a nice watch or a nice watch or
It's
two. Like
like I wanna.
you don't need millions. Everyone like you're like I need to be a millionaire. It's like if you make 300K a year, you can still do basically what the fucking millionaires do.
Like I'm not gonna lie. I wish I could not even like for like having a nice car. I literally just want to have the money to just build a car myself. And like cuz I especially now cuz I'm literally doing nothing freaking 90% of my day. And I've always wanted to build like a car, like a fix me up car. But like it's obviously cheaper than just buying it, but then you got to put it it's obviously
Well, you gotta
expensive
buy
'cause
the
you got to buy all
parts,
the
you gotta buy
parts.
the tools. Like it's just something that like
Like
you don't need to do. That's the problem. I've always been like, if I
but
don't need to buy it, I don't. For the most part, like every once in a while, I'll buy something really stupid, but I'm usually good
it would be
saving my
cool
money.
if
But
you
it'd be
had the
nice
money
to
to be
yeah,
able to do that.
and not feel like to actually get behind like hobbies or passions and be like, I am gonna like devote a shit ton of money to this because this is what I really like to do. But before, I felt like I couldn't do that.
Cuz I've always loved cars, but it's like I like looking at cars, I want like driving cars, but I want to like building them too or and working on them. So it's like but that obviously costs money. So
F me, bro. TP just got hit. Isn't that a good thing? Yeah, just one good-looking car. Exactly. You don't need anything. Well, AJ, you already have yours, right? Your what did you buy? You have an M3 or something? I
M4,
forget. M4. Oh. The one that every person and their mother buys.
I don't like BMWs, but I mean if you could buy it, good for you.
I've
What
been
car did you
looking
buy,
at some
AJ?
Aston Martins.
Oh, you sold it?
Yeah, that was probably for the better.
Oh, 440i.
I was thinking, like, what if you just did something like this?
I literally am looking at the same shit you are. You
'Cause I
can
was
buy a
like,
nice Aston Martin for they like depreciate so much, so you can buy them for cheap.
I think they have manual ones. I don't know what kind, but I
Do
kind
you
of
know
want
how
to.
to drive a manual?
I mean, how the fuck do you learn other than buying a fucking manual car?
They're just saying, do you know how to drive one?
No.
They're easy, but like you don't fuck with those? Really? I think they're very similar to a BMW.
Similar to Bond car, yes, man. Yeah, exactly. It's like a James Bond. It's like a. I think they look cool.
I like 'em. My next one is gonna be a C6
A C6
Corvette.
Corvette. I don't really. What is a C6 Corvette?
I'm
Corvette.
just not a Corvette guy.
I don't like those ones. I don't
The
like the
only
front. They
Corvette
look goofy. I think like the newer
I
ones
like
actually
the
look nice.
I like the old Stingray.
What is it? Is the C8s the one that are out now? I like the.
Yeah.
Like I don't hate that car. I think that car's nice. C7. I'm mixing them up. Oh. But I mean, they're relatively cheap too. 2020 for 63,000. They're not bad.
I like the older ones.
Oh, it's a convertible. I don't want a convertible.
Isn't it a C8? Isn't C8 like this? I think it's C8. mean,
What
they
up,
look
Raymond?
clean. I just think like the C8s are just like Audi's the best. I love the R8s.
I think I saw one the other day.
You have an RS7? What year? "2018." Did you buy it new?
What the fuck? I just got knocked out of my lawn. What, on this pullback? Peace out, Joel.
Had like 10K on it? Damn FFs. I didn't know you were balling like that.
What the fuck was that?
What'd you
Oh,
buy it
yeah,
for,
I
like
would long that shit. I
80,
mean, we got our
90K?
pullback now, so I thought we were gonna get to the 5 minute, but we didn't. I want to wait still. I want to wait for like a rollover and then a push back up, and I think about it. I had like 10K on it, but I'm locked out. So yeah, it just dropped like 30 points in 5 seconds.
85K? Yeah, that's what I thought.
I have 400 left on my drawdown. Please give me advice. I've been losing since last week. Is learn to accept it. Because unfortunately, you're always going to blow account. Just take a. My thing is, when I get like one trade away from drawdown, I'm either getting out of it today or I'm. Like, if I have like. Say, because normally I don't want to lose more than $600, but say I lose a trade and I have $600 left, I'll just try to make it green, because I don't. The last thing I want to do is go in tomorrow. Then I only have one trade. You're already thinking about it. Then you lose that, and then you just wasted another day anyway. So I'm like, all right, I'm either fucking getting rid of it today, or I'm. I mean, that's not the best advice, but that's just how I do it.
I'm too high for sports bets.
ES made a new high. I don't want Nvidia to get back above all this resistance. It's under. It's under the EMA. It's under the VWAP. It's under the pivot point. I knew I shouldn't trade IDKY. I did. Let's see. Oh, it's Jover. Yes, I shorted it. Was on a call with my sister emergency meeting, and I wasn't risk managing properly. GoFundMe/Raven, please support so I get another activation fee. Raven, didn't you just say you made like 10K sports betting this week? You still go for top ticks, Raven? That's a good question. in cash Asia to flex on my Insta people. What? Ain't no way Twin is just like me. Oh, my Insta profile, not people. I got my first payout and flex that shit in a Walmart vest. Why? I don't. Who fucking cares? That's the thing. No one cares that you made any money. I made 2 bands after a year. Like, everyone would be like, great, just fucking get a job. Flexed in a Walmart vest. God, I think it's just money feels different when you're not used to getting it, I swear. It's like, I'm still trying to make just what I made in my fucking regular salary, so it just doesn't feel like I've made anything. But in terms of trading, people are like, wow, you made a lot. Considering most people don't make anything, but... Listen to Miami, it's a trend to make money. I want to flex on my next door neighbor who has a better house than me. It's probably felt so good, but not anymore. Kind of liking a blonde here. Kind of liking a long. Peace out. I pray for everyone to be back on Thursday. Like a gay cat. One loss and I'm smelling this long will be a loss too. This shit chops, man. Nah, this is chopped. We're just in a little bit of a pullback. That's it. Wait, you can take that flag at 9:36. It's like barely a flag. I don't know. It's like not really what I wanted.
Order submitted. Order filled.
55. Alright, we're giving it a stab. $36.75. So I see. Yes, pumping. Yes, trying to make a new high here. NVIDIA could get over this EMA and VWAP, that would be nice. Going for the highs on the left. I'm just going for the pivot point. No, I don't have to feel bad about my long. My TP is 515, Mike. We're on different contracts. I don't really know what that is. Might be is your stop loss. Hopefully it just runs. Pump for my bull. Let's see. ES trying to make a new high right now. Just pushing up. ES still running higher. Honestly, if this takes out this high, probably just gonna go break even just because I don't trust this market. And Nvidia is kind of being gay, not gonna lie. It's not making me feel good. Okay. Oh, fuck it. I'm getting up. I don't
Order
like it.
filled.
I don't care. It'll fucking rip right after this, but I don't like it. We're so slow. We're supposed to be trading momentum. Just not going anywhere. Oops. This is close. Cabrian. No, Johnny's not in this. He already made his money on his evals today.
Yeah.
We're still in it. Yeah, that's like. I think I'm more hoping that
Well-
trade would work than thinking like we're just chopping sideways now. I wouldn't be surprised if we just fucking chop down. It's 11:46. It's like ES is pushing higher, but I don't know. Nvidia wasn't doing much. It's actually fucking pulling back more. I don't know. It's making me worried. We weren't just getting the pump. But again, I'm just gonna trust my eyes. No, yo, don't listen to me. Could very well pump up. Who knows? Come back in an hour or something for the short play. Yeah, I don't trade after 11, or I trade on my cash account whenever. So maybe I'll trade on my cash account later, depending on. All right.
Did you just get out for break even?
Yeah, I didn't like it. ES pumping to the moon.
It's a problem of like, like the ranges are kind of big right now. So it's like when it starts breaking out, it's already pushed up like freaking 20, 30 points.
I mean, my stop is 18. I was going for 15. Yeah, that's shocking. We break higher and then we instantly fucking reject. Yeah, I've seen this fucking a million times recently. I took the long, just got out. Well, you grabbed the top, so that's good. Buttons, just leave it for tomorrow. Yeah, that's the thing. Please give me 10 more points on game. Let me get the fuck out of here. Took like 3 losses before this, though. So, sorry, you break even because you won that one, or no? Still down some. Not worth it, even. No, it's not worth it to fucking sit in this chop. Or I don't know if I want to call it chop, but. Like, I won't determine this chop until if we come, like, back down into this. Cause, like, I do know, I like pullbacks, or what sometimes people call it chop, but I like the pullbacks, because that's what I need for my flag to get in, but it's like, alright, there's only so many times it can go up and down in the same fucking area before it is chop. And when the proof, it's still down for the day. I got you. Yeah, I feel like if you didn't catch a move off open first, like, 15 minutes of the day, then I don't know. Alright. Say some numbers.
Do you wanna? I was gonna say, do you wanna golf Friday? After?
Do I have anything going on? I probably can.
We can walk it,
Sure.
Lorica.
15. 67.
Oh.
That's not a number. 21. Okay. 10. How you doing, Nate? This is just for you, you know? Make sure you're still here. 1. I pick 1. Alright. Sick game. That wasn't my bad, guys. I sold. I know. My bad. My bad. Good. No trade yet. Yeah. I don't think you're finding one. Are you out, Ilias? Well, I'm happy happy I got out as of now. I mean, I said I would have got about break even anyways once we took out the top. I can't wait to be 21 and start my gambling career. Oh my god, Johnny, we're so old and behind, dude.
Who?
Us. Fucking 25.
Me just comes back fucking right when you're gambling.
Well,
Just
he's a
calling out
degenerate.
numbers.
I'm still in.
Degen.
You're still in? Weren't you going for 10 points? He's got the negative RR rocking? I'm just playing off. But AJ's fucking 20. He's got more payouts than us. We're fucking losers. $25 points. TP, 15 points stop loss. Oh, you're gonna be in this trade for fucking a year. Is that my entry still? $490. I'm not in that contract. Ugh. Alrighty. Well, if you are still trading, good luck. But I'm out of here. Peace out.
190. Yeah, we're pretty much bouncing off it right now.